What if, one day, a black hole, a monster of gravity, wandered into our solar system? Would it swallow Earth? Would the sun survive? On this episode of Knowledge Hub, we'll explore what would happen if a black hole crossed paths with our cosmic neighborhood, and how it would reshape everything we know about life in the universe. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after going supernova. Some black holes are relatively small, just a few times the mass of the Sun, while others, called supermassive black holes, lurk at the centers of galaxies, containing the mass of millions or even billions of suns. If a black hole drifted near our solar system, its gravity would create chaos, pulling planets off course and possibly devouring everything in its path. But how would such an event unfold? The first sign of a black hole's arrival would likely be gravitational lensing, the black hole bending and distorting the light from distant stars. Astronomers would detect strange shifts in starlight, as if an invisible object were moving across the sky. Then, the outermost regions of the solar system, the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud, would begin to feel the black hole's gravitational pull. Comets and icy objects from these distant regions might be thrown into the inner solar system, creating spectacular but dangerous meteor showers. As the black hole moves closer, it would begin to disrupt the orbits of the outer planets. Neptune, Uranus, and even Saturn could be pulled off their usual paths. The stable balance that has existed for billions of years would be shattered, and gravitational chaos would ripple inward toward the Sun. If the black hole passed close enough, it might fling some planets into deep space, turning them into rogue planets. Others might be dragged into the black hole itself, disappearing forever. Jupiter, with its massive gravitational field, could act as a shield for the inner planets, absorbing the brunt of the disruption. But even it would stand little chance against the black hole's immense pull. What happens to Earth? If the black hole came close enough to affect Earth's orbit, our planet would face catastrophic consequences. The change in orbit could push us closer to the Sun, causing extreme heat, or farther away, plunging us into a frozen wasteland. The black hole's gravitational forces would also create massive tidal effects, triggering super earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. If Earth got too close, it could be spaghettified, stretched into thin streams of matter by the black hole's gravity, leaving nothing behind. What about the Sun? Could the Sun survive an encounter with a black hole? If the black hole were small, the Sun might only be nudged off its current position. But if the black hole were massive enough, it could begin siphoning off the Sun's outer layers in a process called accretion. The black hole would grow larger, and our Sun could be reduced to nothing more than a swirling disk of hot plasma orbiting the black hole. In the worst-case scenario, the Sun itself could be consumed entirely, leaving the solar system cold and lifeless, with only the black hole remaining. Could humanity survive? Could humanity survive the arrival of a black hole? If we had enough warning, we might be able to build underground shelters or develop spacefaring technology to escape to another star system. However, given the unpredictable effects of a black hole, survival would be uncertain at best. Even if the black hole didn't swallow Earth, the loss of the Sun's stability would end life as we know it. We would need nuclear reactors, fusion technology, or artificial suns to provide energy for survival. A grim but fascinating thought. The idea of a black hole entering our solar system is terrifying, but it also reminds us how fragile and precious life on Earth really is. While the chances of such an event are incredibly low, it pushes us to think about how small we are in the grand scheme of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through cosmic disaster scenarios. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up, because the universe is full of surprises.